Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the Dickies pants that my son got when there was like a Black Friday sales. So I'm not sure what kind of pants or color that he got. So let's just go and then unbox it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. Yeah, I'm not sure why they come with this big box instead of just a regular envelope. So these are the item number, size, and then description. So that 1, 2, 3. Wow, well, some socks. So these are the Dickies loose fit tail work pants, straight leg, sit at waist, reinforced double knee, multi-use cell phone pockets. Wow. Resistant wrinkle, easy care stain release. Material seems pretty thick, so and sturdy. I'm not sure about the belt loop. It's so narrow compared to the regular belt loop. You need to have a thinner belt. So the workmanship is kind of, you see the thread, you need to pull this out, cut it or something. So got the box logo, Dickies right here, the patch. There's your cell phone pocket, I guess. Front pocket, and then a rear pocket. There's no button, just an open pocket. On this side there's a button. There's a button hole right here. There's another box logo right here. So it's made in Honduras. Now here's a care instruction. I'm sure this is a white KK zipper, or let's see. No, their own brand. And then there's a clip right here. What's that say? Some kind of engraved on there. Then here's I'm not sure it's black or navy. Black, I guess. And this is a loose fit as well. Same. Yeah, this side there's no button, so just want to double check it. Got the same cell phone pocket right here on the right leg. Wow, so it's pretty deep pocket. Okay, and you got this, the same color. A 6 pair of this new and improved all-purpose cushion crew socks. Performance work. All-purpose work socks. It's men's size 6 to 12. Made in Pakistan. More stretch, better fit, better value. Comfortable, full cushion foot. Oh. They are the same, so I'm just going to take one pair to check it out. It says Dickies. So on the bottom it's like a grayish color instead of white, which is good because white gets dirty fast, and it's pretty stretchy. And this is the same, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.